Elon Musk made waves at the China AI conference by showcasing the Optimus robot, despite knowing that China has a reputation for copying innovations. While Tesla's Optimus Gen 2 is out there, it's the Gen 3 model that holds the real promise. Why expose Optimus Gen 2 so openly? Simple. Gen 2 isn't the version Tesla plans to commercialize. Gen 3 is the one set to make a big splash, and it's expected to hit the market by the end of the year. Let's dive into what we can expect from this revolutionary robot. First up, the production plan. Musk aims to have thousands of Optimus robots working in Tesla factories. Right now, there are only 2 robots handling basic tasks. By next year, Tesla plans to ramp up production significantly. These robots could even replace some human jobs, especially in factories like Giga Texas, where Optimus is being developed. Musk's bold target? Over 10 billion robots. With such high demand, he envisions a future where each person could own multiple robots, and Optimus will be a common sight. Now let's talk about the rental and sales plan. If you could rent or buy an Optimus, what price would be reasonable? Musk has confirmed that Optimus will be available for both purchase and rental, with rentals possibly coming first. Initial prices might be high, but the rental option could help lower the entry cost. Though a $20,000 price tag was mentioned, costs might change. Even if the price is higher, Optimus could still be a worthwhile investment due to its potential to generate significant annual profits. Moving on to development. Tesla's Optimus Gen 3 is set to be a major upgrade from Gen 2. Expect a lighter design, possibly with new features like speakers and advanced sensory systems. One major improvement: the new hand will have 22 degrees of freedom, doubling the current 11. This upgrade means faster and more precise tasks, like handling delicate objects. Speed is also being enhanced. Optimus Gen 3 aims to travel faster and navigate uneven terrains more efficiently. AI improvements are crucial too. Optimus needs advanced sensors and self-learning capabilities to handle complex tasks effectively. Musk's ambition for Optimus extends to a market cap of $25 trillion. While this figure sounds ambitious, Musk believes Optimus could eventually dominate the market. Competitors are out there, but Musk aims for Tesla's robots to lead the way with superior speed and capability. Optimus is not just about automation, it's about revolutionizing the way we live and work. So what do you think of Elon's plans for Optimus? Would you consider buying or renting one? Let us know. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more updates on Tesla's exciting innovations. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you next time.